Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you quickly how to uninstall the Steam games from your Windows. So click on add and remove program, and once you see this option, make sure you end the any Steam is opening up on our Windows. Just you need to right click on that Steam and simply end the task and then perform this step. Now in here search STEAM Steam. Simply you need to click here and simply uninstall it. And once you uninstall it from here, I will show you in another way. Now close this. Now go to your C drive and 86 and look for your Steam here. If any Steam is here, look for that. Press S. There is no Steam. Then this option, and now you need to go back and you need to here view, then click on here show hidden files, and thereafter program data. Now look for your packages. Let me show you with the run command, and if any Steam is showing up here, percentage local app data percentage. Now look here Steam, and you can see here Steam. Just right click on it and simply delete it. Once you delete it, also clean the recycle bin. Here is the recycle bin, just clean it. And now your Steam should be uninstalled correctly in this way. Now you can reinstall it later if you want. So I hope guys this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.